Hey everyone. Welcome back to our series on artificial intelligence. This is episode 2, and today we're diving into the fundamentals of AI, exploring how it stacks up against human intelligence, and tackling some of the big ethical questions it raises. If you're curious about the future and how AI is shaping it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Fundamentals of Artificial Intelligence, AI. What is AI? So, what exactly is AI? Imagine having a super smart assistant that can learn, reason, solve problems, understand language, and even see the world like we do. That's what AI is all about. It's a branch of computer science that aims to create machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. At its heart, AI involves programming computers to think and act like humans. From simple systems that follow rules to complex neural networks mimicking the human brain, AI comes in many shapes and forms. Types of AI. There are two main types of AI, narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, weak AI. This is AI that's really good at one specific thing, like recognizing your voice, recommending movies, or driving a car. Think of Siri, Alexa, and the algorithms that suggest what you should watch next on Netflix. They're brilliant at their specific tasks but don't have a general understanding like humans do. General AI, strong AI. Now, this is the stuff of science fiction. A machine with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across different tasks, just like a human. We're not there yet, but it's an exciting goal that researchers are working towards. Key components of AI. To get a clearer picture, let's break down some key components of AI. Machine learning, ML. This is where the magic happens. Machine learning is about creating systems that learn and improve from experience. Instead of being explicitly programmed for every single task, ML algorithms use data to figure things out on their own. Supervised learning. Imagine teaching a child by showing them pictures of cats and dogs and telling them which is which. Over time, they learn to recognize them. That's supervised learning, training a model on labeled data to map inputs to outputs. Unsupervised learning. Here, we throw the child into a room full of toys without any instructions and watch them discover patterns and relationships on their own. This is about finding hidden structures in data without labeled responses. Reinforcement learning. Think of training a pet. You reward it for good behavior and discourage it for bad behavior. Reinforcement learning involves an agent learning to make decisions by receiving rewards or penalties. Deep learning, DL. This is a special kind of ML that uses neural networks with many layers, hence, deep. These networks can learn to recognize patterns in data on their own, which is why they're behind advancements in things like speech recognition and image processing. Natural language processing, NLP. Ever wonder how chatbots understand and respond to you? That's NLP at work. It enables machines to understand, interpret, and interact with human language. Computer vision. This allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. From facial recognition to analyzing medical images, computer vision is transforming how machines see the world. AI applications. AI is everywhere, making our lives easier and our industries smarter. Here are some ways AI is already at work. Healthcare. AI is a game changer here. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases early, personalize treatments, and even assist in surgeries. Imagine having an AI that can analyze medical images faster and more accurately than a human doctor. Finance. From detecting fraud to managing risks and making investment recommendations, AI is revolutionizing finance. Algorithms can analyze huge datasets to spot trends and opportunities faster than any human could. Education. Personalized learning is the future, thanks to AI. It can tailor educational experiences to individual students, help teachers with administrative tasks, and even offer intelligent tutoring. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles, smart traffic systems, and optimized logistics. AI is making transportation safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. Entertainment. Whether it's Netflix recommending your next binge watch or video games adapting to your play style, AI is enhancing our entertainment experiences in countless ways. Chapter 2. AI versus human intelligence. Now, let's talk about how AI measures up against human intelligence. Spoiler alert. AI is amazing, but it's not quite human, at least not yet. Learning and adaptation. AI learns from tons of data and improves over time. It's like a student who never forgets and can process information faster than we ever could. But it needs a lot of data to get there. Human intelligence. We humans are great at learning from experiences, adapting to new situations, and applying what we know to different contexts. We don't need a massive dataset to figure things out, we use intuition and creativity. Creativity and innovation. Sure, AI can generate music, art, and even write stories by learning from existing works. But it's not truly creative. It can't feel, imagine, or innovate in the way humans do. Human intelligence. Our creativity is driven by emotions, experiences, and the desire to express ourselves. We innovate by thinking outside the box and connecting dots that AI might not even see. Emotional intelligence. AI can recognize emotions to some extent, like analyzing facial expressions or voice tones. But it doesn't actually experience emotions or understand them deeply. Human intelligence. We're capable of empathy, building relationships, and navigating complex social interactions. Our emotional intelligence helps us connect with others on a profound level. Problem solving and decision making. When it comes to specific, well-defined problems, AI often outperforms humans. It's great at analyzing data and finding patterns. But it struggles with ambiguity and requires clear parameters to work effectively. Human intelligence. We excel at solving complex, ambiguous problems by combining logic, intuition, and creativity. We consider ethical implications and can make decisions that go beyond mere data analysis. Limitations and strengths. AI is limited by the quality of data, the algorithms used, and computational resources. It can be biased, lacks common sense, and struggles with tasks outside its specialization. Human intelligence. While we have our own cognitive biases and limitations, we're incredibly adaptable, emotionally deep, and capable of critical and ethical thinking. We can understand context, apply knowledge across different domains, and innovate in ways AI currently can't. Chapter 3. Ethical considerations in AI. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI continues to evolve, addressing its ethical implications is crucial to ensure it benefits everyone. Bias and fairness. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they're trained on, leading to unfair outcomes. For example, biased hiring algorithms can discriminate against certain groups. It's vital to use diverse datasets and continuously monitor AI for bias to ensure fairness. Transparency in AI decision-making also builds trust. People need to understand how AI systems reach their conclusions and feel confident that they're being treated fairly. Privacy and surveillance. AI technologies, like facial recognition and data mining, raise serious privacy concerns. While these technologies can enhance security and provide personalized services, they also risk invading privacy and eroding freedoms. Balancing AI's benefits with privacy rights requires strong data protection laws and transparent data collection practices. People should have control over their personal data and how it's used. Accountability and transparency. When AI systems make decisions affecting people's lives, accountability and transparency are crucial. We need to know how these decisions are made and who's responsible for them. Explainable AI techniques can help make AI decision-making more transparent. Clear guidelines and regulations are essential for ensuring ethical AI development and deployment. Job displacement and economic impact. AI's ability to automate tasks raises concerns about job displacement. While AI can create new opportunities, it can also disrupt economies and workforce dynamics. Preparing for these changes involves education and reskilling programs to help workers transition. Policymakers and organizations must develop strategies to support workers and ensure a smooth economic transition. Ethical AI development. Developers and organizations must prioritize ethics in AI development. This means adhering to principles like beneficence, doing good, non-maleficence, avoiding harm, autonomy, respecting individuals' rights, and justice, ensuring fairness. Ethical guidelines and frameworks guide responsible AI development. The Asilomar AI principles, emphasizing transparency, responsibility, and the benefit of AI to humanity. IEEE's ethically aligned design, addressing issues like data privacy, algorithmic bias, and transparency. AI ethics guidelines by the European Commission, focusing on human-centric AI, accountability, and privacy. By integrating these principles, we can create AI systems that are effective, ethical, and trustworthy. Conclusion. We've covered a lot today, from the basics of AI to how it compares with human intelligence and the ethical challenges it presents. AI is powerful, but with that power comes the responsibility to use it wisely. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of AI. If you found this video informative and engaging, Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable insights into AI and beyond.